In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your listings on Facebook Marketplace. If you've already posted something for sale and just need to tweak the title, price, photos, or description, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go step by step on the Facebook mobile app. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're signed into the account you used to create the listing. On the home screen, look to the upper right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu or hamburger icon. This opens your main navigation panel. From here, choose Marketplace. Depending on your app layout, you might also see a little storefront icon at the top of your home screen. Tapping that takes you to the same place. Once you're in Marketplace, head to your profile. You'll find your profile button toward the upper right. This is where Facebook keeps your activity, including items you're selling. Next, go to your listings. This shows everything you've posted for sale. Find the specific item you want to change and tap it to open the listing details. If you have many items, take a moment to scan the titles or thumbnail photos to locate the right one. Inside the listing, look for the Edit Listing option. Tap it to enter the editing view. Here you can update key fields like title, price, category, condition, description, and location, and you can add or remove photos. Small, clear edits go a long way. Tighten the title so buyers immediately know what the item is, use precise keywords, and make sure your first photo is bright, in focus, and shows the item clearly. If you're adjusting the price, consider current local demand and similar listings to stay competitive. Before you save, reread your description for accuracy and completeness. Mention any important specs, measurements, or defects so buyers have fewer questions. Double-check the category and condition to help your listing reach the right audience, and confirm your location is correct for local pickup searches. When everything looks good, tap Save. On some phones, the Save button sits at the bottom of the screen, so scroll if you don't see it right away. Your changes will update the active listing, and buyers browsing Marketplace will see the new details within moments. If you don't see the update, immediately give the app a quick refresh. That's it. Your listing is now updated and ready for more interested buyers.